Look at these people. This is what the herd looks like. They're all moving in one direction. They all have the same expressions on their faces. Now, in the stock market, what this looks like is that everybody is piled into the same trade. And what happens when everybody is piled into the same trade? The folks who sold that bet, especially in the options world, aka the option sellers out there, the guys with the $50 million accounts, the $100 million accounts, the $1 billion accounts, they're selling these herds the same bet, all right? And what happens to this herd is they get crushed before the real money is made. So they got to take a 70%, 80% loss. And then what everybody knew was going to happen, aka the herd, that's when the real money is actually made. You got to figure out how to step outside of the herd. And I'm going to show you how to do it.
No doubt any one of you who have played options before has gotten caught in something that looks like this, right? So check this out. Let's say this option is worth around $1 and it's just messing around in a range here. The herd thinks they're going to $5 on this thing, right? And in reality, they actually might. But what happens is right before this option goes to the moon, the larger players will force what we commonly call a shakeout. Now, the shakeout causes the value of this option to drop 80%, 90%. Now, you're a small account. You can't afford to take a loss like this. So, what are you going to do? You're going to sell it for the loss. But think about this. Who are you selling to? Remember, the herd is stuck with you. They're all selling. So, who the fuck are they selling it to? The same large players that sold it to you in the first fucking place at $1 plus. Okay, so now who owns all the inventory? It ain't you. Now that that option is free to do what the herd originally desired, but only after the herd gets thrown out of the trade. You got it?